everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I hit another pan right here. So I'm so excited. Again, my project pans for the month is Maybelline Lemonade Craze and Soda Pop. I have a pretty good dip in this one, so I'm pretty happy. And this is Color Mates Dollar Tree, which is really nice. Very good quality and Hard Candy Electric Color. So these are the 4 palettes that I've been playing with all month long, trying to hit pan as many shadows as possible. So again, to do my crease, I use this one to start my crease up. I already set my eyes and primed it. I'm getting ready today to go to an appointment, so that's exciting. So just going all over in their crease with this light pink shade. So I already used these 2 shades right here into the crease, so I'm done with my crease. And since I'm going at an appointment, I kind of want something neutral because I don't want to be like, wow, for an appointment. Not necessarily wanting a bright, colorful eye look for today anyways. So I want to go in probably with this palette here, but let's see, because I like these neutral shades in here. But I'm gonna probably go with Cola Float. This rustic color for the outer portion of the eye. So I'm gonna go into this one right here, because it's like a rustic color to put on top. That's good to layer. I like layering. It's pretty nice to put like a matte down and then shimmer. Doesn't even look like I have shimmer on. Okay, I want to go into Tonic right here. This kind of shimmer shade. So I don't think I've dug into this one yet. All this month. So just laying that right on the rest of the eye portion that I had no product on. And I put glitter glue on before. Yeah, that looks good. I want to put this color into the crease because I already primed the crease now. I kind of wanted something in the crease. So going in with this beautiful shade. I thought this would look good with this eye look. That is so pigmented. I'm going in with a blue raspberry right here, this blue. Just going in the outer portion. Now I'm gonna put this color on next. right in underneath the eye. Now I want to go into this coral shade right here. I know, I probably look so silly. I'm just going in with the rest of the eye underneath that color. Now I want to go into this orange shade right here and going into the inner portion of the eye. And on top of that orange, I want to go into this color right here. I know my eye looks a little crazy and I didn't want, you know, all this color, but oh well. What are you gonna do? So just going on top of that like so. And this is today's look. It's not too bad. I just wanted something different that I did not do yet. I've been trying to do like 3 underneath the eye, which I kind of like. Yeah. Good for today, I guess. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.